everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from the long weekend and I hope you guys all had a lovely Easter. Whether you spend time with your families, just took some time to relax or simply enjoy a bit of chocolate, it was such a lovely holidays. So today I'm going to make something a little bit different and special. I'm going to make a vision board. Actually, this is my first time making a vision board, and I know it has been popular for decades, and I've recently found how useful they are, and I thought why not to make my own. So I'm going to make one today, and I will use different materials such as journaling, my illustrations, postcards, and magazines which I collected and put them together. So grab your favorite drink and popcorn, and let's get started. Here's the cardboard I got from Kmart. It's quite big and perfect for building my vision board. Vision boards has actually been around for decades. They are a fun and creative way to focus on your dreams, goals, and the kind of life you want to create. Instead of just writing a list, you put everything together visually, using pictures, words, little symbols, anything that inspires you. So it's like making a map for your future, but with art. Vision boards are not just about planning, they are about feeling your dreams too. When we see our hopes in pictures, they become more real, more alive. It's a gentle reminder every day of what we are working toward, even when life gets busy. You might be wondering why I focus so much on pictures. Well, it's because our brains has two sides, the left brain and the right brain. The left side all about logic, numbers, and planning. The right side is about imagination, feelings, and creativity. Most of us are trained to think with the left brain, but when we use the right side, when we create and dream through images, it connects deeper to our heart. For me personally, drawing has always been a big part of my life. I loved art even since I was little. It was how I understood the world around me. Later, when I grew up, I studied design at the university, and that love for visual thinking only grew stronger. So creating a vision board feels very natural to me. It's like speaking the language of my heart. As I put my vision board together, I decided to divide it into two parts. As you can see, on the left side, it's all about living beautifully. Building a life filled with style, health, travel, and little moments of joy. And on the right side, it's about dreams and growth. Focusing on my creative journey, growing my YouTube channel, and continuing building my business. Both sides are important to me. One brings me joy every day, and the other moves me closer to my dreams. For the left side, I put some of my beloved brands such as Juicy Couture, Memosh, and Hello Kitty. These brands have been a part of my life for a long time, and they still make me feel happy and inspired. Even now, I still love pink, cute things, and playful designs. As I keep growing, I've realized that staying true to myself, to what really brings me joy, is one of the most important things. It's not about changing it to fit in, it's about being myself happily and proudly. On the right side, each piece holds a part of the future I'm working toward. They remind me of the dreams I'm building, the challenges I'm facing, and the small moments of growth along the way. They show the path I'm choosing for myself, a path filled with creativities, courages, and hope. As I put everything together, I realized that the vision board is not just a collection of goals, it's a reflection of the life I want to live. A life that feels joyful, meaningful, and true to myself. Every little image and every word I choose carries a dream, a hope, or a feeling that's important to me. And when I feel lost or stressed, I know I can look at this board and remind what I'm working toward. Thank you for spending this creative moment with me. Let's keep dreaming, growing, and living beautifully together. I will see you in the next episode. Have a nice day. Bye.